In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change SVG colors using Webflow variables. We'll start in your design tool and move into Webflow so you can control SVG colors directly in the designer. Begin by selecting the element you want to use as an SVG. For example, this could be a logo or an icon. Make sure it's cleanly built. Solid fills work best, and if you used strokes or effects, consider outlining them so they translate reliably. Then, copy it as SVG. Using the Copy as SVG option gives you the inline code we'll need, rather than a static image file. Now switch to Webflow Designer. Open the Add panel and insert an embed element on the page where you want the SVG to appear. In the embed editor, paste the SVG code you just copied. This places the markup directly on the page, which is important because inline SVGs can be styled with CSS, including variables. Click Save and Close to preview it in the canvas and confirm the graphic renders correctly. With the SVG visible, decide on the color you want to apply. You can grab a hex or RGB value from any color picker you like, or even better, use a color variable from your Webflow variables panel so the SVG stays in sync with your design system. If you're using a variable, note its CSS custom property name so you can reference it. Reopen the embed to edit the code. Look for fill attributes inside your SVG paths or shapes. Replace the existing value with your chosen color. If you're using a fixed color, paste the hex value, such as $1000. If you want the SVG to follow a Webflow variable, paste the CSS variable reference, like var, your color variable. This ties the SVG to your global color token, so future changes to that variable update the SVG automatically. If your icon uses strokes instead of fills, update the stroke attribute the same way. Some SVGs contain multiple shapes, so apply the change to each relevant fill or stroke entry. Click Save and Close again to apply your changes. You should immediately see the updated color on the canvas. If nothing changes, double check that you edited the correct attribute and make sure there aren't conflicting inline styles. Remember that keeping the SVG inline via embed is what allows CSS and variables to control it. That's it. You've copied an SVG, embedded it in Webflow, and connected its color to your chosen value or a Webflow variable. Congratulations and happy building.